Hello guys, today we bake a raisin pastry with cream. But first, let's see the intro. Okay, don't worry, now I explain to you how you can prepare the dough. So, you need 300 grams of butter to make the pastry very crispy. The dough, yesterday evening, so before going to sleep, I prepared the dough. For the dough you need first to prepare the starter. For the starter you need 170 grams of flour, the strong one, in English they say this, we call it Manitoba, 1 teaspoon of yeast, the one for the bread, the dry yeast, and 80 ml of milk. So you melt the yeast in the milk, and after you work with the flour and you prepare the starter. You cover and you should wait 30 minutes. After you need 330 grams of flour, the same flour that we have used in the beginning, 100 ml of milk, 75 grams of sugar and 100 grams of eggs, 1 teaspoon of orange jam, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 120 grams of butter and 10 grams of salt. But now the butter and the salt we put apart. We work this ingredient with the starter. When the dough is well done, you add 10 grams of salt, again when the dough has taken all the salt, you will add 120 grams of butter, but the butter, like you saw before, I cut in pieces and I leave outside at room temperature. Not too much, if no melt. After you add the butter 1 or 2 pieces each time. So you put 1 or 2 pieces, you work the dough, and after you go ahead like this until the butter is finished and the dough is complete. You see, the dough should be very elastic. After you cover with a plastic wrap, if not on the surface it will become dry, and after you put in the fridge. After 12 hours in the fridge, so in the morning, your dough is ready and you have all the ingredients cold. That is very important. So now you take your stick and your baking paper. I will use the one in silicone. You put here, you put the butter in the middle and you go and smash the butter. You should smash until the butter is more or less half or 1 centimeter. Keep trying to keep the square shape. And And after we smash the dough and we put the butter inside, but I'll show you. Like I said before, the problem is the hot, because the butter starts to melt. So now I close the dough, I smash a little bit and I put in the fridge, because in my case it's already too soft. If your one is not soft, you can smash better the dough and put in the fridge also. Now we should put our dough in the fridge, so we cover with a plastic wrap and we put in the fridge for 30 minutes. During this time we can prepare the filling, because also the filling should be cold when we will put inside our dough. So let's go to prepare the filling. Our dough is already in the fridge, but first I want to speak about the filling of our pastry. We need 150 grams of raisin, 1 yolk, 50 grams of sugar, 250 ml of milk, 20 grams of flour and 10 grams of corn flour. Now we take the strawberry wine, the one that I have homemade, and we put with the raisin. In this way they will become again normal, because now they are too dry. And after we put all the ingredients apart and we take the pastry in the fridge, because when we put again the pastry or the dough in the fridge, we can prepare the cream. So let's put the wine. Naturally, before I forgot to mention one ingredient. You can also use the vanilla sugar. So we put 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar with the flowers. We add the other sugar, the yolk, we mix very well, and after we add the milk little by little. When everything is melt, we put on the fire and we keep stirring. Keep attention not to burn the custard. When the custard is ready, we remove from the stove and we wait that become cold. Now we can take our dough, because 30 minutes is already passed, and we can smash again and fold again. Okay, now we can squeeze our raisin and put apart the wine, because we need this little bit dry. We take the cream, we put on the dough, we add the raisin, we roll the dough and we cut in making some roll no more than 2 centimeters big or high, and after we put directly in the baking pot. Now we should wait more or less 1 hour. This one you can cut in the same way and put in the refrigerator. When you want your brioche, you can remove it from the refrigerator, put in the fridge, and in the morning you remove from the fridge and you put directly on the baking pot, and after 1 hour they will grow like this one. So see you later to bake our brioche. After 1 hour you take 30 ml of milk and 1 yolk, like you've already done with the other brioche, and you go to brush the brioche. After you bake in the oven preheated at 180 Celsius degree for more or less 16-18 minutes. After 13 minutes, yes, only 13 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, they are ready. Now if you want them more shine, you could brush with 15 ml of water and 15 grams of icing sugar. You mix like this and you brush them. Spectacular with the coffee. They are special because inside they are soft, outside a little bit crunchy. Spectacular. Okay, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe here to support the channel. Here you can find other kind of brioche or other kind of cake. And please remember to leave me a like and to share this video with your friends. Bye bye!